Mastering possessive determiners. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving deep into an important part of English grammar, possessive determiners. These words might seem simple, but they play a huge role in everyday conversation and writing. They include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. So, sit tight, and let's master these essential pieces of the English language together. Possessive determiners are words used in English to indicate who owns or possesses something. They always come before a noun and agree with the noun in number and gender when applicable. Let's take a look at them. My. This indicates something belongs to the speaker. For example, this is my book. Your. This indicates something belongs to the person or people being spoken to. For example, is this your pen? His. This shows something belongs to a male person or animal being talked about. Example. This is his car. Her. This shows something belongs to a female person or animal being talked about. Example. That is her dog. Its. This is used when something belongs to a thing or animal being talked about. Example. The tree lost its leaves. Our. This shows something belongs to the speaker and one or more other people. Example. This is our house. Their. This indicates something belongs to a group of people, animals, or things being talked about. Example. Their team won the match. Now, how do we use these in sentences correctly? Remember, possessive determiners always come before a noun. Here are some examples. Correct. I cannot find my keys. Incorrect. I cannot find keys my. Also, remember that they don't change form for singular or plural nouns. Here's what we mean. Correct. This is her book. These are her books. Incorrect. This is hers book. These are hers books. Lastly, unlike possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs, possessive determiners always need a noun after them. Correct. This is my book. This book is mine. Incorrect. This is my. Well done, everyone. You have now taken an important step in mastering English grammar. We've covered the basics of possessive determiners, my, your, his, her, its, our, and their, and how to use them correctly. Remember, these words might seem small, but they're mighty in communication. Keep practicing, and soon using possessive determiners will become second nature to you. Until our next lesson, happy learning!